Hello, let us solve this exponential equation together. 3 raised to power 2x plus 1 plus 26 into bracket 3 raised to power x close the bracket minus 9 is said to be equal 0. The first thing we have to do is to express this expression such that it looks perfectly like a perfect quadratic equation. And how do we do that? Let us rewrite this expression. It will now become 3 raised to power 2x. Becomes dot 3 because it means 3 raised to power 1 plus 26 into 3 raised to power x minus 9 equals 0. So this becomes 3 raised to power 2x plus 26 into 3 raised to power x minus 9 equals 0. So let's 3 raised to power x equals p. So wherever we see 3 raised to power x in this expression, we are going to substitute it with p. This will now become 3p raised to power 2 plus 26p minus 9 equals 0. Now from this expression, we've been able to reduce the exponential equation to a perfect quadratic equation expression, to the general equation of a quadratic equation. Now let us so we can use quadratic formula or any other formula that we apply with, that we are familiar with. But for me, I'm going to multiply this and by 9, and that gives me minus 27p squared. That is 3p squared multiplied by minus 9. Now I'm going to look for the factor of 27p that's such that when I multiply them together, it gives me minus 27p squared. When I add it together, it gives me 26p, and that will lead me to 27p and then minus p. 27p multiplied by minus p give me minus 27p squared. 27p minus p will give me 26p. So I will now substitute this back into the general equation of the quadratic equation. That is 3p raised to power 2 plus 27p minus p minus 9 equals 0. So let me capture this in a bracket. 3p raised to power 2 plus 27p and minus p minus 9 equals. So let me factor out what is common. So 3p is common here, so I have p plus 9. Let me factor out negative is common, that is minus 1, p plus 9. So since what is left is the same, so I'm going to pick one while I collect these together. That is 3p minus 1 and p plus 9 equals 0. So let us now take this. 3p minus 1 equals 0, or p plus 9 equals 0. Therefore 3p equals 1, or p equals minus 9. Therefore p equals 1 over 3, or p equals. So when p equals 1 over 3, what is our x? Remember, we said p equals 3 over x. So 3 raised to power x equals 3 raised to power minus 1. So x equals minus 1. So when it is 9, that is 3 raised to power x equals minus 9, and that is 3 raised to power x equals minus 3 raised to power 2. So x equals minus 2. So thank you very much. See you next time.